Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete bot in Telegram. So for this you will just open the Telegram app and here you will just tap for search bar. So you will type bot father. So if you can't find, you will just change it my bot father. Sometimes it's an error. So I will again type bot father and on the first one you will click it and get start the chat. So for here you will just uh, type my bots and enter slash my bots and enter. So you have currently no bots. So if you have bots you will type it my bots and delete it immediately. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.